Hi all, this is my Carnival Mardi Gras journal with Wild Rose Bohemian papers. She's kind of fat, I think 3.5-inch spine here. I just have tulle closing her up, and if you can see, I used some stickles on her mask on the front. Have a little door here. Opens with some of the jokers or jesters, whatever you call them. Then a little charm on the end of that. Some more stickles on this mask. Little journaling card in here with a feather. This was from Lady Al, little one-sheet wonder that she showed us. Has some tags and some journaling spots in there. Some of these have some stickling on them. The little bow. Little notebook here with some mixed media papers inside. Stickling on the fan. Another little journaling card with a hidden paper clip at the top. A little postcard, journaling card. All of these can be written on the inside. Just some little skinny tags. I'll go back and shove everything back in their pockets after the video. You guys don't want to watch me do that. Little envelope, some journaling pieces in there. Another little journaling card. I also borrowed this from Lady Al. She usually adds large journaling cards in her items, and I had so many pieces that I wanted to show all the designs on. So I did that in a couple of places that I added some of the large journaling cards. Then here's some little ones, and they're just held with a brad, so if somebody wanted to take them apart and write on them, they could. Some little bubble dots here. Another little card with some stickle on him. I really like the gestures. I attach these with elastic is the way it's holding in my signatures, but I went in and I did do just a 2-hole tie to tie the signatures together because some of the things in here are a little bulky and it was keeping my pages from laying flat when I opened them up. So just a different way to add in your signatures and make sure that your pages don't slip when you're using an elastic binding. And some journaling cards here. A couple more postcards here. Held on with a hidden paper clip. Here's another one of the large journaling cards. Use the page edge punch here. These are all folders. They just have tied together. Each one has places that can be written on, and then all 3 of these have a little tiny journaling spot inside of them. Here's another large card that you can journal on. As you can see, this is where I've tied the signature strings together. There's some stickle here, some gold gilding wax on this fan. Another little flip down. Has a couple of tags and a journaling card or a postcard in there to be written on. And then hiding underneath with a little strip here. A couple more postcards. There's quite a few in her kits, so I took advantage of that. A little pocket, little tag. This little alligator has some stickling all over him. Makes him shine and shimmer. Another page punch here. Lots of places to write. A couple more large journaling cards. And I still did not use all of the papers that are in these kits. I used very few of the background scenes. Oops, there. So I liked the costumes and the masquerade things. So here's 3, well, let me fumble and get these open. 3 cards here, and again, they're held with the brad so they can come apart if somebody wants to write on them and that hinders them. A hidden paper clip here. Another. I use some of these background ones, the scene ones, for the smaller cards. Here's a little bitty journaling card. Whoops. Another one of the little envelopes with a journaling card inside. A couple of carousel horses. Another jester with a couple of more file folders here. And these I just put a backing paper on so that people can write on those. A little teeny card up here. And here. And this is kind of puffed up on top of some double-sided tape so it stands up above the page. A couple of large tags here. And then onto the third signature. I have one more envelope here. And I did back these because they were not wanting to go in the little hole there. And it looks like I ripped that. I'll have to fix it. And journaling card there. Tag. And then a little teeny one with some stickles on the little guy. Okay, a flip up here with a couple of more journaling cards. The mask all in this one. So many fun papers, guys. This little guy has a hat on the belly band, which comes off and shows his little head. And then some mixed media on the back for writing on. I didn't do any stitching in this one. Because it was kind of fat already, and everything is so decorated. I didn't really think that it needed the added enhancement of stitching on there. A couple more postcards. A little envelope here. The little guy comes out. Then a couple of little journaling cards inside. And I just have him caught over the edge of this pocket. Then I have this little guy you can write on, just held together with some tabs. A couple more large journaling cards. These papers, it's just it was just a shame to cover all of them. They're so, so pretty. Tag here. Maybe it will go back inside, maybe it will not. I think I'm done decorating, but I might go back and add a little more stickle. I do love it when it has this little shine to everything. So tag, that has a tag inside of it. And these words are all from Rose's freebie, that if you watch her journal, her YouTube video, it'll tell you how you can get those. Then one more of these one-page wonders, and each one of them have some tags inside of it. Two more folders. This one has a little tag stuck in here. And they just go in the side tuck here of the pocket. Another belly band with another little card underneath it. Another little journaling card. And these were all envelopes that I just wrapped around the pages and made a tuck with a well-tailed punch with some like little decorations on them instead of as envelopes. And then we're to the end of the book. Thanks for taking a peek.